Last week, I talked about there was some misinformation out in the industry, and thankfully that's been cleared up. Last Friday, it was absolutely clarified that what I talked about on Wednesday was correct. That, under the Public Health Act and the new COVID-19 restriction gathering and movement order, both relevant to Section 11 and Section 18. Section 11 is about inside properties or residences. Section 18 is about outside gatherings. And what Brad Hazzard, who's the Minister for Health and Medical Research, actually issued late Friday afternoon was that a person is exempt from Clause 11, that's the inside property, and Clause 18 for the outside gatherings if they are at a place of residence for the purpose of viewing or inspecting the premises for the purpose of the sale or lease of that residence, or conducting or participating in an auction for that residence. Obviously, there is the exemption subject to conditions. And as we talked about last week, the condition is social distancing, hygiene protocols. Really simple. So be careful how you plan your auctions. Be careful how you plan your open homes. If you've got an open home that you really think is going to be super popular, or turns into being super popular, and there's going to be lots of people walking through that property, then manage it accordingly. Have more staff members there, or get people to help you out as, even as COVID marshals, or, dress them up in whatever your colours are for your agency, and get them to direct people to either wait in line at proper distances, and also, the hygiene protocols and about not touching items inside the property, and all those sorts of the things you're already doing. But just making sure that that's, you can have more than 20 in a property, just making sure that the social distancing is okay. So the one person per 4 square metres and the 1.5 metres in between groups of associated peoples. So, you need to be sure that if you're doing an auction, then, make sure that you've got your registered bidders maybe up front and centre, obviously all spaced. Any onlookers, the onlookers are good. That's good for the auction process and good for your agency. But just make sure that, they're spaced accordingly. So just follow your hygiene protocols, follow your social distancing protocols, and you're fine. The 20 number is an exemption for us. So thank goodness.